Hi viewers, I hope people are fine. Today I will tell you about the basic or the important topics about CSS. These topics are related to CSS. These are very important topics in CSS. And let's come to the words, our topic, important topics of CSS or important topics for CSS. So our first topic is economy of Pakistan. Our first topic is about the economy of Pakistan, how our economy is. And the second is education issue. The education, how we have the issue of education or not. And the third is water crisis. Water crisis, there is water crisis in our country or not, or there is no crisis. And the fourth is climate change, how the climate will change, how it will not. And the fifth is gender issue. Your gender issue is very necessary in every field, just not in CSS, in every field of life. That is very necessary. And the sixth one is health issue. You have health issue or not, the health is also necessary in every field. And the seventh is justice system. The seventh is justice system. And the eighth is corruption and accountability. Corruption and accountability. This is the eighth topic of CSS. And the ninth one is food security. Food security, it is also we can say in CSS topics. And the 10th is security issue. The 10th is security issue. We have security issue or not. Or 11th is human resources development. Human resources development. And the 12th one is poverty. Poverty, gurbat. How much poverty is there in our country? And the 13th is energy crisis. Energy crisis. And this is also the most important topic in our CSS. And the 14th is nuclear politics. Nuclear politics or nuclear policies. And the 15th is democracy. Democracy is also the most important topic in these. And the 16th is Globalistan. About Globalistan, we should learn about Globalistan. We should study about Globalistan. And the 17th is population. How many population we have? How much population we have in this country? And the 18th is Islamophobia. Islamophobia. And the 19th is about IT. About IT. And 20 is foreign policy of Pak. The foreign policy of Pak, the Pak policies are there. That is also in another country. There is another. That is also in foreign. And the 21 is social media and cybercrime. Social media and cybercrime is also the best topic in CSS. And the 22 is about US-China rivalry. US-China rivalry. And the 23 is Russia-Ukraine war. Russia-Ukraine war. About Russia and Ukraine war also will come in CSS topics. And 24 is Indo-China. Indo-China. And 25 is Palestine issue. About Palestine issue. And 26 is about BRI and CPEC. What are these stand for? I will tell you about this. So BRI stand for Belt and Road Initiative. Belt and Road Initiative. BRI stand for Belt and Road Initiative. And the CPEC stand for China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. And the 27 is China and Middle East. About China and Middle East. And 28 is arms trade. Arms trade. These are also important. These all are important. And 29 is sanitation. About 29 is sanitation. So these were the most important topics of CSS, and if you people will study these topics, these will help you in every place. Then you will know, then nothing will be difficult for you people. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos and click the bell icon. Inshallah I will upload more these kind of beautiful videos. Thank you for watching my video.